Hi everybody and welcome to a flip through of this folio. And I have made videos throughout of me doing this, apart from the very end bits where I put ribbon on tags and stuff like that. So it's all there if you want to follow my sort of pattern, if you like. The bare bones of this and the undecorated ones are available also in my Etsy shop. So I've got you covered. There's all sorts of colours as well. I chose to do the green one first. I just love green. Anyway, here we go. It's closed with this string and button closure. Look at that button. It's so gorgeous. And it picks up this pink from the rhododendron beautifully. So it's just wrapped around with string, and the button just stays in there. You can take it out if you want to, but it stays in there so you don't lose it. And on the back of each of these flips, I've got coffee stained paper, so there's journaling right from the off. And I haven't covered him with anything. He's just too beautiful. I just don't want to. He's gorgeous. So the big one, then the medium one, then the little one, and that's how they go. And then we open it up. And here we have, well, a flip. Just in case it's not enough to flip and look at, we've got a flip here. So on the front of it, we've got this big side tuck down here with a couple of journaling cards in. I think these are from My Porch Prints Green Ephemera set, actually, but I thought they went really well because there are butterflies not dissimilar to that in the collage papers. So they just fit in there nicely. Then it flips open, and here I haven't added any pockets or anything. I just really wanted to celebrate this beautiful camellia. It's just gorgeous. But I have created a flip. It's not a flip. It's a tuck spot down here. And when you take that card out, you can see the Artie Mays papers, which are absolutely beautiful, the collage papers. And I've made a little journal card to go in there, a little bit of lace down there. There's Poppy Fussy Cut. I've nearly driven myself demented with fussy cutting, but I really think it's worth it. I think we've got some beautiful images in here. Very, very floral. That just fits into there like that. And then moving along, ooh, look, we've got the waterfall. The waterfall's probably the showpiece of this folio, I think. And I've opted to do mine with a stripy and with some green collage paper. And I've put a flower on each one. So this has got a nasturtium on it. And as you flip it up, you'll see that the back of each piece has got coffee stained paper, so it's ready for journaling. And each one of these I've covered in green gingham. So this one, I love this one. Really, really pretty. Same thing. This one, oh well, I love them all. So that's that, like so. There we go. Beautiful waterfall. And then it opens up again, and here we've got the lily page. Nice deep pocket with this. Actually, this is my drawing and my colouring of a daylily, a sort of orangey yellow one here. This one I think I drew with you on the YouTube channel, actually, on a live stream. And then look, I've got daylily written in my own fair hand. That is not my normal handwriting. My normal handwriting is absolutely abysmal. It could be argued this isn't much better, but I quite like it. I don't know, it's on there anyway. And at the top we've got some faux silk green ribbon tied with a little piece of string, which I really like, and that just pops into there and complements that. What I didn't intend at the time was for it to complement this too, but it does. All of these are daylilies. So we've got a bit of a lily section to the folio going on. I really like this. I like it against the stripes. It's really fresh looking. And then in the back of that, we've got this journaling card. And I just love everything in this journal, but I really love this piece. It's gorgeous. And once again, it's nice and thick. I've backed it onto card, so it's nice and thick to journal onto. And that just slides into there. course I never want to slide in when you're videoing. And that folds over. I haven't done any decoration on this page. It's the birdie page and I really love it as it is. I don't want to add anything to it. And then we go over again and we've got this pocket page, a stripy pocket, and I've just decorated with a little thing that says notes and a butterfly. So you could, if you're giving this as a gift, for example, I know you won't be, but you might be, you could say there, you know, to Joan, to Sheila, to whoever, 2022, happy birthday, whatever. I just think it's a nice place to do that. And here, this is the image that I was saving. I don't know why. I don't know where I thought I was going to use it or need it more than this folio, but I've been hoarding it. And it is the most beautiful iris. It's gorgeous. And this, I don't know what this is. It's kind of daisy type flower. And I happen to have this faux silk ribbon in what they described as periwinkle. And it is the most perfect match for this iris. It's gorgeous. So that's on there. The back, lovely card, so you can journal on there. And when you take the card out, you get to see the lovely collage papers. So that just fits into there. And on the back, I've left it plain. I generally leave the backs of my folios and journals plain because that's the bit that gets scrubbed around a bit. So that be that. And it just wraps up like that. Round the button, and there we have it. So that's my folio. I hope you like it. Thank you very much for watching and see you guys again soon. Bye.